Hey, Loki. Loki. You ready to play string? Ready to play string? Okay. Here we go. Let's see if I can hold this straight. There it goes. He's got the string. Let's go. Come on down, Luke. Bring it down. Bring it down. There's a good boy. That is a good boy. Got it? Okay. You ready? String. Now the thing about the string game is he brings it back. Come on, babe. And then pretends he doesn't want to give it back. Oh, you got it again. Hey. Oh, that's right. Where'd it go? Did you get out of the way? Okay, come on. All right. Ready? Whoops. You have to let go. You ready? Up. It's very hard to hold. Throw the string and keep the ball in the cat. Come on. Why don't you bring it down? Yeah, okay. There we go. So, the string slides down the stairs. And Loki has learned to bring it back so I can throw it again. There you go, sweetie. Oh my. He loves the string game. Whoops. I missed the stairs altogether. I cannot. Oops, sorry. Not very good there. You ready? Ready? Alright. Oops, that didn't go very far. So it's either hold the camera with the left hand. Let's try it that way. Because I got better throwing action with my right hand. You ready? Alright. Sometimes the string lands right on the step, but other times it slides right down. There we go. There we go. Okay, this is hours of fun. And Loki gets exercise. Right. What you want, Luke? Want me to throw the string? You do? Alright, there we go. Ready? Oh, let's go. Oh, nice save. Fake man. That wasn't very nice. Here comes for real. Oh, up, 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 up. We dropped it. Here you go. He's made some pretty amazing saves sometimes. When it falls through the stairs. You want some more? Oh, that's a silly question. You always want more string. Here we are. So I'm going to go do this for about another half an hour. And here he comes. Here's a boy. That's a good boy. Now, don't you wish you were having fun like this too? Hey, here we go. Good one, Luke. Oh, wow. Sorry, I missed that one. In the excitement, he did a real skidded up there and caught it coming down. And he makes little bongo sounds with his feet on the wooden steps. Like a bongo cat. That's right. Oh. Right under. Find it. He's got it. And here he comes again. Alright. That's 5.5 minutes of cat game. Probably enough for anybody. Alright. You go up and we'll play some more. Whoa, sweetie. Oh. You missed the string. Yeah, you missed it, sweetie. It's not there. Can you reach it down there? Mm-hmm. That one. Here, do you want to throw it? Oh, nice. And here he comes. Well, I was gonna... Oh, he's not sure. Now he's got it. Come on, kitty. Okay. So, oops. Alright. Look. Lucky. Lucky. Yeah, okay. We'll play some more, but not one-handed. It's not so good, is it? Alright. See you later.